Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. Well, I am super excited to let you know that we are going to start our AWS Certified AI Practitioner course. Guys, you know that AI is the most trending technology and the most trending topic right now. Everyone is talking about AI. Everyone is looking forward to power their applications with AI, right? So it is absolutely necessary for us that we must learn about AI, we must learn about machine learning. At least we should have some solid foundation that what is AI, what are the AI and ML models, and also we are going to discuss that what kind of services AWS is providing for AI. Guys, in our AWS Cloud Practitioner course, we learned that there are over 240 plus AWS services. And among those services, AWS offers 20 plus AI and machine learning services. So we are going to have a quick look in this overview video. We are going to learn what we are going to cover in this course. So that would be just an introductory video, and I really appreciate your time and your support for DevOps Molvi. Let's get started and see what we are going to cover in this course. By the way, guys, spoiler alert, I am already writing my slides and planning all the course content on Google Drive. So make sure that you must check the description of each video. I will be sharing the link of the Drive Google Drive link for each lecture that we complete, that we discussed on our YouTube channel. So far, this would be my fifth chapter. I'm already writing the slides on Amazon Q. Let's take a quick look on this chapter, what we are going to discuss here. And AWS Certified AI Practitioner. The AWS Certified AI Practitioner covers the foundational knowledge of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Gen AI, generative AI, which is a little bit different. We are going to have a detailed discussion on Gen AI in our next chapter, chapter number 2. And Gen AI concepts and its use cases as well. The cost of AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam is $100. So just like we know that the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification costs $100, the AI Practitioner also costs $100. The exam, okay? The exam cost is $100. So in this course, we are going to discuss about AI, artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, and what are the Gen AI services that are offered by AWS. And that would be our goal. After completing this course, we will have an idea about AI ML services and technologies that are used in AWS. Just like we have Amazon Bedrock, Amazon SageMaker AI, Amazon Q, and so on. There are 20 plus AWS AI services. The primary focus is to focus the AWS AI suite of AI ML services like SageMaker, Bedrock, Chatbot, etc. The exam is not intended to build AI ML solutions on AWS. If you are preparing for AWS AI practitioner, you just have an idea about AI services of AWS, ML services of AWS. You are not going to perform any practical tasks in this certification, or there wouldn't be any practical or solution based questions in the AI exam. So the exam is not intended to build AI ML solutions on AWS. We must have an idea about AI, ML, Gen AI, and especially Amazon Bedrock, Amazon SageMaker AI, and Amazon Q. These are the showstopper AI ML services that AWS offers. So we must learn about these AWS AI services. So Amazon, just like I told you, AWS provides at least 20 plus services focused on AI ML capabilities. We can learn about the custom and pre-built AWS AI models that are used for specific tasks. For instance, Amazon Lex used to build AI-based chatbots. So Amazon Lex is also an AI ML service of AWS, and there are 20 plus services AWS offers with AI and ML capabilities, and we can learn about the custom and pre-built AWS AI models. So we can also build our own AI ML models on AWS. So we can design our own models, we can build our own custom models, and we can also use the pre-built AWS AI models for our applications. So, what are we going to cover in this course? We are going to learn about generative AI, Gen AI, the AI that is used to generate text, documents, images, videos. That's why it is known as generative AI, to generate documents, configuration files, YAML files, text, images, videos, reports, etc. So, generative AI, AWS AI ML stack, the services, Amazon SageMaker, Bedrock, Lex, Poly, AWS Chatbot. So these are the major services that we are going to cover in this course. And that is the overview of AWS AI Practitioner course. By the way, guys, let's hop on to AWS console. So you can see that I have been working on Amazon SageMaker AI, Amazon Q. These are all AWS ML services. Like we have Amazon Bedrock. So Amazon Bedrock is also AWS AI service, SageMaker AI, Amazon Lex, Amazon Chat, Amazon Poly. All of these are services that are used to build and deploy custom AI solutions. Just like we have this Amazon Bedrock, and also we have Amazon Q. All of these services are offered by AWS, and all of these are AI ML services. For instance, if I want to learn about Amazon Q, what is Amazon Q? So, AWS console also explains an overview of each service. That's what I want to show you, that it is a generative AI service, Amazon Q, a generative AI powered assistant from AWS to help reinvent how you work. So, this is how Amazon Q looks like, and Amazon Q is a Gen AI service, generative AI service. And not only that, Amazon Q is subdivided into Amazon Q Developer, Amazon Q Business, Amazon Q in QuickSight, Amazon Q in Connect, and Amazon Q in AWS supply chain. So we can search Amazon Q developer. For instance, if I want to search, okay, now you can see that Amazon Q developer is also a Gen AI service from AWS, and it is specific for developers, right? Now you can see here, it is one of the developer tools for AI ML developers. And with Amazon Q Developer, we can build applications faster and spend less time solving software development problems. So guys, that was just an overview how AWS offers its AI ML stack. And you can learn about each AI ML service for free, because in AWS pre-tier, every service is offered for learning, for exploring. We can get free tier resources to learn about each AI ML service. And that's what we are going to look in this course. So that's it for today, guys. And I will see you in our next detailed chapter of AWS Gen AI and machine learning. We are going to learn what is AI, what is Gen AI, and what is machine learning in the next chapter. Make sure that you subscribe DevOps Molvi. I will see you in our next chapter of this AI practitioner course. Have a good one.